heated, and as we know, the warm air is lighter than the cold air, so it rushes to the top and condenses to become thunder clouds. When the hot air rushes up, there is a low pressure in that area from where the hot air has rushed towards up. Then the air from all the high pressure areas come towards the low pressure area with a very high speed, which causes the formation of tornado. As we know, at a high level, this is the project for formation of tornado. हटा हाथ हटा तेरा हाथ चुप हटा हाथ हटा.
Okay, we can see a formation of tornado, no? Okay, good. Come on, next.
Then the effects of tornado. We can see this from. Tornado causes difficulty in the ecosystem, and many people have to lose their life because of a tornado. It totally ruins the traffic system of the country, and it totally destroys buildings, and sometimes even causes diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, etc. because of the stagnant water here and there.